What if the tools you use every day are actually slowing you down without you even realizing it? On TechVerse, we're revealing 20 mind-blowing power tools that completely change how real work gets done, and every product you see is linked in the description for easy access. Stay till the end, because one of these tools might instantly upgrade your entire workflow. Milwaukee 6T Utility Crimpers. When you're working in tight electrical panels, getting consistent crimps can be difficult with limited access. The Milwaukee Tool 6T Utility Crimpers are designed with an inline body and a rotating head that allows flexible positioning in confined spaces. The hydraulic system delivers uniform crimps, while electronic monitoring helps maintain consistent output force. Dual release buttons support both left and right-handed use. For precise and reliable crimping in demanding environments, it provides consistent performance you can depend on. Little Giant Jumbo Step Ladder. When you're working at height, stability and comfort become critical, especially during longer tasks. The Little Giant Ladder System's Jumbo Step Ladder is designed with wide, stair-like steps that provide a secure and comfortable standing surface. The adjustable safety handrail adds extra support when working on the top step. Its lightweight aluminum frame makes it easy to move, while the top cap includes space for tools and accessories. For safe and stable elevated work, it delivers confidence and convenience on every job. Goal Zero Yeti 1500X Power Station. When you're working off-grid or facing a power outage, keeping your tools and devices running becomes a real challenge. The Goal Zero Yeti 1500X Power Station provides a large battery capacity with multiple output ports to run essential equipment like lights, laptops, and small appliances. Its pure sine wave inverter ensures stable power delivery, while the aluminum enclosure adds durability. It can also recharge through solar panels. For reliable portable power anywhere, it offers a dependable and versatile energy solution. WORKPRO Stainless Electricians Scissors. When you're cutting thick cables during electrical work, standard scissors can struggle and slow you down. The WORKPRO Stainless Electricians Scissors are built to handle copper and aluminum cables with sharp, durable blades. The ergonomic handle improves grip and reduces hand fatigue during repeated cuts. A built-in safety lock keeps the blades secure when not in use. For clean, controlled cable cutting in daily electrical tasks, they provide reliable and efficient performance. WORX 20V Cordless Sliding Compound Miter Saw. When you're making angled cuts on site, carrying a heavy saw and finding power can slow you down. The WORX 20V Cordless Sliding Compound Miter Saw is designed for portability without sacrificing accuracy. Its sliding mechanism supports wider cuts, while the work-holding lever keeps material stable and your hands clear. The cordless system allows flexible use anywhere. For clean, controlled cuts with job site mobility, it delivers reliable performance and convenience. KwickGripper Nail Puller. When you're removing old nails during renovation, standard tools can damage the surface or take too much effort. The KwickGripper Nail Puller is designed with strong gripping jaws that lock onto nails, screws, or staples, allowing you to extract them cleanly. Its leverage-focused design helps reduce the force needed while minimizing surface damage. In real projects, it speeds up demolition without unnecessary frustration. For clean and efficient fastener removal, it provides a practical and reliable solution. RYOBI Electric Pressure Washer. When you're cleaning driveways, walls, or outdoor furniture, scrubbing by hand can take too much time and effort. The RYOBI Electric Pressure Washer delivers strong water pressure to remove dirt quickly. It offers around 2,000 psi with a steady flow rate, making it suitable for regular home cleaning tasks. The compact design makes storage easy, and quick connect nozzles allow different spray patterns. For efficient outdoor cleaning with minimal effort, it provides a practical and reliable solution. CPK Hybrid Automated Cable Tie Tool. When you're bundling wires in high-volume environments, doing it manually can slow production and reduce consistency. The CPK Hybrid Automated Cable Tie Tool is designed to tighten and cut cable ties automatically with consistent tension. It supports both battery and AC power, giving flexibility for different setups. The system can integrate into automated workflows and includes a display for monitoring. For fast and repeatable cable management, it delivers precise and efficient performance. DeWalt Pole Hedge Trimmer. When you're trimming tall hedges, reaching higher branches safely can be difficult without the right tool. The DeWalt pole hedge trimmer is designed with an extendable shaft that increases reach without needing a ladder. Its articulating head allows angled cutting for better control, and the cordless system provides mobility around the yard. The balanced design helps reduce fatigue during longer sessions. For clean and controlled trimming in hard-to-reach areas, it offers a practical and efficient solution. Craftsman tape measure. When you're measuring materials on site, unclear markings or short reach can slow your work. The Craftsman tape measure is designed with a wide blade and high contrast markings for easy reading, even in low light. It offers strong standout, allowing longer measurements without support, and a multi-catch hook improves grip from different angles. The locking mechanism holds the blade securely during use. For accurate and efficient measuring in daily tasks, it delivers reliable performance you can trust. Flex mud mixer. When you're mixing materials like mortar or drywall compound, uneven blending can affect the final result. The Flex Mud Mixer is designed with a dual-handle setup that improves control and reduces fatigue during extended use. It offers multiple speed settings and mechanical gears, allowing you to adjust mixing power based on the material. The standard chuck supports common mixing paddles. For consistent and controlled material mixing, it provides reliable performance on demanding job sites. MARSHALLTOWN 1-gallon can carrier. When you're painting on a ladder, holding a heavy can while managing your brush can feel unstable. The MARSHALLTOWN 1-gallon can carrier is designed to attach securely to standard paint cans, giving you a comfortable grip and better control. The handle reduces strain during long use, while a built-in magnet holds your brush above the paint to prevent mess. It also works as a hook for ladder use. For safer and more efficient painting, it provides a simple but practical solution. Milwaukee M18 Inflator. When you're on site and a tire suddenly loses pressure, stopping to find a large compressor wastes time. The Milwaukee Tool M18 Inflator is designed to deliver fast and accurate inflation with a maximum pressure of 150 psi. It features automatic shutoff once the target pressure is reached and stores multiple preset values for convenience. The compact, cordless design makes it easy to carry anywhere. For quick and reliable tire inflation on the go, it provides a dependable and efficient solution. BeamNova Electric Hot Knife Cutter. When you're cutting foam or synthetic materials, regular blades often leave rough edges or cause fraying. The BeamNova Electric Hot Knife Cutter uses heat to slice through materials like foam, fabric, and insulation smoothly. It heats up quickly and can reach high temperatures for consistent cutting performance. The included interchangeable blades expand its use for different shapes. In real work, it helps produce clean edges without debris. For precise and smooth cutting of soft materials, it delivers a reliable and controlled solution. Milwaukee Green Interior Rotary Laser Level Kit. When you're aligning walls, ceilings, or fixtures, small errors can lead to bigger problems later. The Milwaukee Tool Green Interior Rotary Laser Level Kit projects a clear green beam that is easier to see indoors. It includes a receiver and remote for long-range alignment, and the system is built to handle job site conditions. The setup allows quick leveling on both horizontal and vertical surfaces. For accurate and efficient alignment work, it provides dependable precision you can trust. Blue Spruce Sharpening Square. When you're sharpening chisels or plane irons, even a slight angle error can affect cutting performance. The Blue Spruce Sharpening Square is designed to check edge alignment without risking damage to precision layout tools. Its stainless steel body provides durability, while the machined angle cutouts help verify common bevel angles accurately. The compact size makes it easy to use at a sharpening station. For maintaining consistent edge geometry, it delivers reliable and precise checking. Wolfcraft Transport System. When you're moving heavy or bulky items, carrying them by hand quickly becomes exhausting and unsafe. The Wolfcraft Transport System is designed to handle loads up to around 100 kg with a sturdy aluminum base. It folds quickly for storage and includes large wheels that move smoothly over different surfaces. The adjustable handle improves control during transport. For efficient and less tiring material handling, it provides a practical and reliable solution. INGCO Claw Hammer. When you're driving or removing nails during construction or repair, a balanced and comfortable hammer makes a real difference. The The INGCO claw hammer features a forged carbon steel head for durability and a rubberized handle that improves grip and reduces vibration. Its claw design allows easy nail removal without damaging surrounding material. In daily use, it provides control and reliability across different tasks. For general carpentry and repair work, it delivers consistent and dependable performance. DeWalt Brushless Cordless Impact Wrench. When you're loosening tight bolts in confined spaces, bulky tools can slow you down. The DeWalt Brushless Cordless Impact Wrench is designed to deliver strong torque in a compact form. Its brushless motor improves runtime and efficiency, while multiple speed modes help control output for different tasks. Built-in LED lights improve visibility in darker areas. For powerful fastening and loosening with better control, it provides reliable performance in demanding conditions. Sharpal 112N3 in one sharpener. When your tools start losing their edge, work becomes slower and less precise. The Sharpal 112N3 in one sharpener is designed to restore blades quickly using carbide for coarse sharpening and ceramic for fine honing. It supports tools like axes, knives, and scissors with preset angle guides for consistent results. The compact design makes it easy to carry and use anywhere. For maintaining sharp, efficient tools, it offers a simple and dependable solution. That brings us to the end of these powerful tools designed to improve speed, precision, and efficiency in real-world work. If any of these stood out to you, you'll find all the Amazon links in the description. Let me know in the comments which tool you'd add to your setup. And don't forget to like and subscribe to AU TechVerse for more practical tools and tech that truly make a difference.